Yeah, and next one is, you see me, my pot, you can see it, it's a cabbage, a carrot, sweet pepper, tomato, thyme, that is in it, and because black salt me and pimento. See me I say, and purple cabbage, purple cabbage, purple onion, and much steppings, you see me, and we are planting, you see me, you know, bun up on. To the next side, good boy, you see me. We are in the next video still. I'm mother house. See them pretty. Aki, freeze them. Then I freeze you see me. And so I have everything plant and skin, you see me. You say, oh, the normal planting them, you see me. I say, long like a spatula. Don't forget, you know. Mother house, you know. See me, I say, purple onion there. How we are doing it to see it. Are we super in our place? I'm on the last step in the sea. Fully bad. There, see me. Go on the stove and cook up and thing. Deaf. More, you see it? I'm on the last.
French deal. The way sweet all. Yes,
All sweet and so on.
Sweet and gone there and want to eat. And just look boy thing and put him down.
When I plant them up around I planting in it, make it sweet, so.
Call it egg. This is Frankfurter.
Deaf.
And this is the bad boy world style, whole week style, fried dumpling. And boy now my style.
You see me?
I tell you, so we live, you know. We eat with anything, because natural thing and food them are depending. Yeah, it have to be real. That's your master, up and running.
Up and running.
Style,
you see, with that, bad people, something that you see me. Look, check out this look more with that bad people. Boom.
Family lot.